Hi all, welcome to the session. Today we are going to discuss topic on key differences between data science and data engineer. Okay, so data science and data engineer. The first comes with the definition. So what is the definition for data science? Data science draws insights from the raw data for bringing insights and value from the data using some statistical models. So when coming to the data engineering, so it creates APIs and frameworks. APIs and frameworks for consuming the data from different sources. So this gives the basic definition and the major difference between the data science and data engineering. Next one is area of expertise. Here the difference between data science and data engineering in the area of expertise is that here the data science discipline requires an expert level of knowledge. Of mathematics, of maths, statistics, stats, and computer science, computer science. So when coming to the data engineer, the area of expert requires programming, hardware related knowledge, right? So this is the major difference in the area of expertise. Okay, and next coming to the third difference. And the major difference is work profile. Okay, work profile. So what is the work profile of data science? Here, data science establishes the statistical and machine learning model. For analysis. And keeps improving them. Builds visualizations and charts and for analysis of data. And coming to the work profile for data engineer, helps here data engineer helps the data science team. It helps the DS team, in which helps the DS team by applying feature transformation. The main thing is feature transformations. Helps in feature transformations. Feature transformations for machine learning models. Okay, so this is the difference in the work profile between the data science and data engineering. And the major difference next one is in the responsibilities. Right? So data science is responsible for optimized performance of the ML. Optimized performance of the model. Right? When coming to the data engineering is responsible. Here, data engineer is responsible optimizing and performance of whole data pipeline. So here, performance of the model, that is ML and statistical model. But here, data engineer is responsible for optimizing and performance of whole data. whole data pipeline. Right, this is the next difference. And coming to the last difference between the data science and the data engineering in the output. So data science, output of data science is a data product. So here output is a data product. It is a data product. When coming to the data engineering, here output of data engineering is data flow, storage and retrieval system. Here data flow, storage and retrieval system. So these are the major differences between the data science, key differences between the data science and data engineering. Starts with basic definition, area of expertise, work profiles, responsibilities and outputs of data science and engineering. Thank you.